Hey everybody, today we're here in Long Beach at 1857 Lime Avenue. This is a craftsman home. It's a complete fixer near downtown Long Beach. So it's a great opportunity. You got tons of large palm trees. You can see here, I'm under a couple right here under the house. We're pretty close to Poly High in downtown Long Beach. The beach is probably about a mile from here. So this is a great opportunity. We have it listed at $599. And it does need a lot of work. I mean, it smells terrible in there. So long story short, if you're an investor, you're looking for a flip or something like that, this could be your opportunity. We do have probably some room for negotiation on the price. Follow me in, let's check it out. As you can see, I got my chair set up here for open house today. All windows need to be replaced. Paint, obviously in terrible shape. As you walk in, the screen door is gone. As you walk in, you can see the carpets. What you can't see is it's a terrible, terrible smell here. So, complete fixer. You got the panels here on the wall. Probably you want to go drywall or something along those lines there. As you can see, you got a small craftsman kitchen here. Pretty much everything needs to be gutted. You got the laundry space back here. Everything needs to be redone. You can kind of see backyard there, space for an ADU, a garage. So you have opportunity to add value there. Wall heater, most likely a good candidate to be replaced or at least looked at. You got bedroom 1 here, the front yard, or the front of the house. Again, all windows need to be replaced. The whole place needs to be painted. Floors need to come up. Smells terrible here. Bathroom here, complete fixer. Let's see here, the shower. Yeah, and there's a shower here. So everything probably needs to be torn out, redone from scratch. And yeah, the second bedroom. So we got a 2-bedroom, 1-bath house here. Craftsman. I mean, the aesthetics of it are great, but thing needs a lot of work. So we're gonna go ahead and head to the backyard. As you can see, backyard's in pretty good. Pretty decent shape. It's clean. I kind of like what we got here. Plenty of space to build. As you can see next door, they have some units there. And so that could be an opportunity maybe right out here to build. Whether you wanted to put like a 2-car garage or maybe a 2-car garage with a ADU on the back potentially. Like I said, everything needs to be redone here. It is a great opportunity. Price can be negotiable, so come by, check it out. I'm here today at 1857 Lime Avenue. So like I said, I'll be out here today from 1 till 5 at 1857 Lime Avenue. Look forward to you coming on out and checking us out. Have a great day.